Well, hello, this is Chalee, your life insurance life coach. I'm so glad you joined me today. Today, we're going to talk about what happens when my policy lapses. Boy, that is a question to an answer that I wish I would have had 17 years ago. Prior to Mike passing, Mike is my husband. Prior to Mike passing, I always kept insurance on us. I have been with my same life insurance agent for at least 17 years. But what he never shared with me was during the time my policy would lapse. That means bills would come in the house. This is the time before automation had hit. Bills come in. Some bills may have not gotten paid. And insurance, sad to say, my insurance coverage was one of them. Had I known how important it was that I kept that life insurance policy intact, I probably wouldn't even be standing here sharing with you my testimony and why it's important that you keep your policy in good standings. Today, if you find yourself uninsured and it's within your 30-day period, please, by all means, take care of your policy. Because what happens is once the policy is reinstated, your 2-year contestability starts all over again. And they don't tell you that. Well, at least I was not told that. And what you can do if you find yourself in a cash crunch, keep your policy. However, call your agent and let your agent help you in lowering your premium as well as the benefit. Did you hear me? Lower your premium as well as the benefit. That way, there is no gap in your coverage. You do not want any lapse nowhere in there because the insurance companies are not in the business to lose money. So it's imperative that you be honest. And also, your health. Those are the things, if they have to reinstate your policy, they're going to want to take a little mini application again on you and find out that you are still in the same, your health has not changed, and they will reinstate you. But if anything that does not coincide with their guidelines, you may just totally lose coverage. But I'm here today to tell you whatever you have to do, rescue your policy. It's better to have some coverage than none at all. It's a sad thing to come to the end and your family has to make some decisions for you, all because of misinformation, miscommunication. They will not be able to bury you. Then what? What happens? They will not be able to move forward, especially if you have a substantial amount of coverage on yourself. So I'm just here today to let you know, don't let your family suffer. My family, we had a $10,000 policy, which was not nearly enough. But due to my husband's health and his age, made it more difficult for us to qualify for a higher amount of insurance. I did at least one time have a $200,000 policy on him rather. But as time go moving, as each time that policy lapses and your agent has to come out and reinstate you and not necessarily reinstate you, my agent didn't reinstate me. You know what he would do? He would write another insurance policy, which means that he got another commission. Do I feel bad about that? I don't necessarily feel bad, but what I do feel bad about was that you expect people who are in their business, whatever their profession is, and especially if you've been a good client to them, that they're going to keep you abreast on everything that could possibly happen. So I'm here today, and I'm glad I'm here today, just to share with you. Don't let your policy lapse. Rescue your policy. If you find yourself in that situation today, please Call your agent, have your agent come out, or you go in to see your agent and see what they could do for you. Anyway, this is Chalee, your life insurance life coach. I hope this information has enlightened you today, and I hope it's something that you could use. If you have any questions regarding life insurance, please don't hesitate to contact me, and I will answer any question that I have, that I will answer any question that you may have. Anyway, have a great day, and we'll talk soon.